Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equip Me Marketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 showing 2,685 hours. Now this thing has a 10-foot mast. You also have a backrest and brick and block forks. Now these brick and block forks, ladies and gentlemen, we can replace those with pallet forks if you would like for free, or you just go ahead and keep those. That is your option. Now this thing has really nice knee-deep rubber all the way around. It's been refurbished and repainted. Now when we repaint these, ladies and gentlemen, we take off the hood, the back door, things like the roll cage, the seat, the diamond plating, any removable covers, and then what we do is paint the gray thing separately and then put everything back together so you get a nice finish in between, and we can get way deep in there and get paint on everything, so that way we have a long-lasting finish. It's not just something that's dipped in a little paint or one coat. What it is it's completely refurbished. We take a lot of time, take these apart. When we refurbish these, we pressure and leak test your system, make sure that your hydraulic pump is strong, make sure you don't have any leaks in your wheel motors or in your hoses or your cylinders. All that is checked. If it's found to be out of spec, we replace it. Also, ladies and gentlemen, now we look for things wearable such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter that needs to be fixed, we go ahead and take care of it. If it's found to be within spec, it's left alone. That's why we call it refurbished. You can see there's evidences of a couple new hoses here. You can see new hoses down there. So when we find something that's in bad shape, we go ahead and replace it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, with this refurbishment process, what we do is we'll give you an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to be in condition I'm showing you here today, or we will back it up, help you get it fixed. Now, between now and when you get it, once it's in the way I've shown you here, that operational guarantee is over. Once you get it, you can buy it with confidence. We will back up this Kubota engine for an additional 30 days. Now, let me show you in back here. All your fluids have been changed. Look at the nice rubber in back, too. Your oil's been changed. You got a date-coated filter there. You can hit the ground running. You're going to know where you're at with it. Now look how deep the paint is in there. I mean, even that hydraulic tank that's been painted. We don't mess around, ladies and gentlemen. You're getting quality. You get new stickers. Now what we're going to do next is we'll show you a little bit of operations. We'll drive around the shop here. Then we're going to end the video. I'm going to really thank you very much for watching our videos here at first. I just appreciate you taking the time. We want to do business with you over and over. We want to make you happy, get your referrals. We also sell new forklifts like Load Max here. You can ask our salesman about that. Now let's go ahead and fire this thing up. So here's your Kubota engine. It came to life. Now we're going to give you some operational just to show you how nice and smooth everything is and how tight everything is. Here's your mast going up and down, tilt, side shift, your outriggers. Here's your mast going in and out. We'll take it for a little spin around the shop, ladies and gentlemen. Look how nice this thing runs and drives. Why even buy new? You can save a lot of money and get something that's got an operational guarantee and an engine warranty. Now, I'm going to end this demo by letting you know you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you for watching this video.